Hello everybody, it's Lee from the Infinite Actuary, and I want to show you what it's like to complete the Today view in TIA Study and avoid all those potential squirrels out there that could cross your path as you're trying to get into that study process. Because if you're not using TIA Study, you're probably still in the bad old days. And getting started in the bad old days usually means starting off by figuring out where was it that I actually left off anyway, how much do I really need to accomplish today to be sure I'm ready on exam day, and maybe even of all the different things I could do, what should I do first? These are all opportunities for distractions. They're squirrels that can sidetrack us thinking about studying instead of actually studying. And this is exactly what the Today view in TIA Study is going to help us avoid. So now here we are over in the Today view, and we're doing exam P today, and I'm on my second study day. I can see yesterday I completed a number of different tasks, emptied my review inbox, worked some problems, and today's list starts with Algebraic Approaches, Lesson A13. So all I have to do is click there, and I'm going to immediately start watching Lesson A13. Now, once I finish watching Lesson A13, remembering to pause the video and try all the practice problems and examples along the way, I'll also need to complete my 3 first pass problems. So I'll click here and complete my first pass problems. Now, at any point along the way here, I can review the solutions, I can watch the video solution, I can jump over to discuss to ask a question if I need to, and when this arrow goes gray, I know I don't have any more first pass problems to complete, and I'm ready to close out this activity. So now I've finished my first pass problems, I can see that they're complete, and I've finished watching the lesson, and then I can close this out and I go back to the Today view, and it shows me that I have worked 3 problems now, and I have completed the lesson A13. So now I've got 2 more things to do to complete my list for today. First of all, I need to look at the A2 handouts because it's time to start lesson A2. And once I've downloaded those handouts, the only thing left to do today is to watch lesson A21. So I'll click on that one and we'll watch that lesson. Now once we're finished watching lesson A21, we do have 3 more first pass problems to work. So we'll go ahead and work those problems. And again, once that arrow is gray, we know we're finished. So I'll close that out and I can close out lesson A21, and I've now completed everything I needed to do today. Now, if I have more time, this would be a great time to go and work some more guided practice problems. And so if I want to do that, I could click here and maybe work another problem or 2. When I'm finished working those problems, I'll close that out, and I'm still finished with everything for today. So I can close this window as well, and I can see everything that I finished today, the 7 problems I finished and the 2 lessons that I watched, as well as the Section A2 lesson handouts that I downloaded. Now at this point, if I still have more time, I can work some more guided practice problems, or if I'm ready to go on to the next lesson, I could just move to the next study day and start working on the next lesson. And so that's how you use the Today view in TIA Study to avoid the squirrels and make sure you're finishing everything you need to do to be prepared on exam day.